I'm with Balance Within Physical Therapy. Today I want to show you some shoveling tips to protect your back and your shoulders. Pushing snow is always going to be easier than lifting it and throwing it. So when it's light and fluffy and you can push it, absolutely push it. But when there comes a point that you need to lift it, here are a couple suggestions. So to push the snow, I would get in a lunge position. I would engage my core by drawing in my stomach. I would activate my glutes, kind of squeezing them. I would keep the shovel close to my body, and I would put my weight on my front leg and begin pushing the snow. When there comes the point where I need to lift the snow, I'm going to lunge down, keeping the shovel close. I'm going to lift, engaging my glutes, bringing my hips forward, and I'm going to throw it forward. Throwing it forward is always going to be better than twisting. If you can't throw it forward, I'll show you how to pick it up again. You're going to keep the shovel close, engage the core, squeeze the glutes, lunge down, keeping your knees in line with your feet. Bring the snow up. You're going to turn your body and you're going to throw it to the side. These are a few tips and tricks to protect your back and your shoulders. If you're experiencing pain with shoveling or after shoveling, know that we can help you. Contact www.balancewithinpt.com to learn more information and to sign up for a free consultation with one of our experts. Thank you.